pumpkin spice creamer for the first time this season. I picked this up at Publix. Using a pumpkin creamer like this just smells like fall nostalgia. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Fall is in the air. At least in Tennessee it's actually felt a lot cooler. Like the leaves are starting to change, and someone said on TikTok it just feels like 2014 to 2016 fall, and I'm all here for those vibes. So today I have a little fall vlog, decorating my apartment, getting the cozy vibes going, and I'm so excited for you guys to see. So I filmed a few days ago when my mom and I went to Home Goods and Kirkland's, so I'm going to input that footage here so you can see some of the new things I bought. We are headed to Home Goods for some fall shopping, just going to see what they have. It's a pumpkin spice latte pillow. Wow, cute. That's cute. Some of these candle scents though are not that good. I just smelled honey pumpkin. Not too good, but this is cute. Really great place to get candles for way less than like Bath and Body Works or Target. We're now in Kirkland's. Oh, this is cute. This little pumpkin doormat. It says it's $10.
Bargain.
Okay, I'm gonna come back and make my stuff. I like how it's just a little pumpkin. If you guys want to see some new fall decor pieces I've gotten recently, you can also watch my September reset. I showed some new things in there, like this pumpkin spice Cinderella candle that I love. So let's light her up and get started with the decorating. I know that you're not supposed to have this memory ring in your candles. I swear I let this burn for like 4 or 5 hours the first time I burned it, and it still did not give me an even burn. So I promise I'm trying to have good candle care, but it just didn't happen. We grabbed the holiday decor bin from my closet, the top of my closet. It's looking a little sad. Like, it's mostly Christmas. It has a few fall things, but I gotta admit, guys, I'm buying some new fall decor this year because this is sad. But I do love these little pumpkins I got from Target like 4 years ago. I did end up getting this pumpkin doormat. It was $10, come on. And it's just like the cutest, most subtle little doormat ever. I'm obsessed. Obviously I put it on the outside of my door, but for safety reasons I just set it up here to show you. Jimmy got me this flower arrangement with these pumpkins that are obviously not real. So we're gonna change out these flowers, try to put in these leaves, and see if I can make a little bouquet that then I don't have to keep changing every week. Ta-da, there we go. That's so cute. I actually really like it with the black base too. I think it's very spooky vibes, but still fall, not too spooky. I have my Hocus Pocus sweatshirt on. I'm so excited. This is my second year wearing it. It's from an Etsy shop. If I can find it still, I will. No, it's my third year wearing it. If I find the Etsy shop, I will link it below, but it's so cute. And now I'm gonna pour myself a glass of wine and put on some Gilmore Girls and make a yummy dinner. Last fall I rewatched pretty much up until Rory Goes to College. I don't love Gilmore Girls after Rory Goes to College, I will say that. So Lucy and I watched up until that point, so the first like 5 seasons or so last fall. I don't know if I'm gonna watch that much again this year, but you know, might as well just start with episode 1. Favorite episodes though are when she and Dean first get together, and then when Jess comes into the picture. So there's that. My hot takes with Gilmore Girls. Got some meatballs and broccoli. A little bit of crispy kale and brown rice, and I'm gonna put some tahini on top. And there we go. It took me like 30 minutes to find canned pumpkin in this grocery store. Trader Joe's didn't have any. I guess they don't put it out till seasonal products come in. And then Publix, it was still like on the bottom shelf next to the pie tins in the baking area, because I guess it's not like out front and center yet, but we finally got it. I was not leaving that store till I got pumpkin. That's what I went for. It's too late in the day to make coffee, so we're gonna do the next best thing, the perfect afternoon pick-me-up, because I really just want to use this cute pumpkin glass for you guys. Root beer is my second favorite Olipop flavor. I really love the Coke, but it's pretty open, so it doesn't have a lot of the fizz, but still pretty good. Oh yeah, look at that. So good. Okay, sorry, my window's open here because I'm gonna do my nails. If you guys know, in August, I decided to take my dip nails and save some money and hopefully save my nails a little bit by doing it on my own and just not getting them done professionally. So I did a little Amazon haul. I got this Azure Beauty Dip Powder Kit. I tried it once before last week. Did not turn out good. It was very messy, my fault. But I've watched some videos and some tips and we're gonna try it again. I'm really hopeful because I really just wanna be able to be the girl that can do my own nails. And we have some pretty dip colors here. I think I'm gonna go with this, like, see if this turns out to be like a chrome color, this white. And then I was like, wait, how am I gonna take my dip nails off? So we have some acetone nail polish remover, and I also got this drill. I'll link it below as well. This is from Melody Susie, and it comes with all the little drill bits that you need. So I took off my nails, my bad ones, with this tool. All of this came to around $50, so that's the price of one, not even really, one dip manicure here in Nashville. They're usually like $70 with tip. So if I can get this to work, it'll save me a ton of money. But yeah, I have so many of the little tips and stuff for the drill, so that is helpful, I think. But we're gonna put on a little Netflix show, and we're really gonna try to do this step by step. If it works out, I'll show the process in another video, but I'm just like not qualified to be filming and trying to do this at the same time. So I'm gonna turn you guys off and we will get back to you. But I'm just gonna drink my drink and try to do my own nails this fall. That is a goal for September, October, do my own nails. All right guys, I'm all done. Sorry, it's getting dark outside, but they do not look that bad at all. I did like this gray color. Here's the right hand, which you know is always harder, but even the right hand, not too bad. I'm actually really impressed with myself. We'll see how long they last. Got all my ingredients out to make these pumpkin patch cakes. This is the Williams-Sonoma recipe that they did with the pan. So we're gonna try it. The only thing I don't have is real milk, so we're gonna use oat milk, but I'm crossing my fingers it's gonna turn out. We got one little guy out and I'm waiting for the rest to fall vertically and to cool, but I took the pieces that didn't make it and put it in this bowl with some icing because I just couldn't wait. And guys, I'm watching When Harry Met Sally, which I'm so glad they put on Netflix. I can't believe I've never seen it. You guys know I'm a romance movie fanatic, and the fact that I've never seen this movie is so terrible. I'm going to New York next week, so I just knew it was the perfect time to watch it. Like, New York in the fall, have never seen it. I just wanted to have myself a cozy night in, literally watch it by myself so I can fully take it all in. And this is just the perfect little solo night at home. Like, I have my pumpkin cake, watching When Harry Met Sally, a good Friday night in. You know, if I have to spend a Friday night alone in September, this is exactly what I want to be doing. Okay, the pumpkin cake is actually pretty good. Despite me mixing up the baking powder and baking soda, I put the opposite amounts in. I hope this vlog brought you some cozy vibes, some fall inspo, and have a little cozy fall movie night of your own. Cheers. Cheers.